Well, the Tesla Cybertruck is anything but boring. Opening the door can be boring unless you go to TesStudio. A while back, they gave me these awesome sill plate covers, but another thing that when you open Cybertruck doors is they have a little paddle light. It's just a light on the bottom of the door that shines onto the ground so you make sure you don't slip. Well, TesStudio took it to another level. 5-minute install and only a few bucks can get you tons of cool holographic projection options. So now that it's installed, I want to show you the difference. I'm in the garage because it's a little bit darker, which obviously has the separation in the cement here, which you can't see the logo fully, but you get the idea. So this is the Cyber Beast. I chose that. They have a bunch of different options that we're going to look at on the website, but it's pretty cool. So you see the normal puddle light there. It's not very bright. It's just there again to make sure you don't slip, something like that. And man, I still love those sill covers, and they're from TesStudio as well. But this looks great. It is very prominent, shines really good, and they have all these different logos. Let's check them out right now. And again, this is TesStudio's website. We've been on there before. Super user-friendly. You can sort it by your actual model. You can log into your account. And these are actually really cheap. One of the cheap, great upgrade options. 4.5 stars, 21 reviews. So again, you have a circuit-friendly Cybertruck logo, just the Cybertruck right there. Cybertruck profile, so it kind of shows the side of the Cybertruck. You have the Cyber Beast, which is the one I got. I do have the Beast, the tri-motor. You have a Tesla logo right there. And then you have kind of a combination, which looks really cool. So many different options. Again, they take 5 minutes to install, and they're a great price. So again, I got 2 of them. If you just use your driver door, you're a solo driver, you can get one, or you can buy them in a 4-pack as well. And you actually get a discount if you buy the 4-pack. So it's $30 for one or $100 for 4 as opposed to $120. So again, check them out. Not only these puddle lights right here, but everything they have on their website. This is like a kid in a candy shop for me. Again, big thanks to TesStudio. There's a link in the description below. Make sure to check them out and use the discount code EXTREME. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon.